Welcome guys, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make a door in TinkerCAD. So let's get started. I will take this cube and make it wider and bigger. Okay, so like that, something should be around that. Now you can make it thinner, and basically now what will you do is take another cube, put it somewhere like that. You can use a line tool and make it a little bit smaller like that. All right, and now what we'll need to do is just make it a little bit inside. So let's put that a little bit inside like this. All right, now select whole, then union group. Okay, so you'll have something like that. And now what you'll need to do is just add little button. Okay, make it a little bit smaller like that. And just put it where you need to, like that. Now union group. Okay, and now what we'll need to do is add a little window. So you can do by using this little cube and just put it somewhere there. Make sure it sits good, and now just move and make sure it goes through both sides. And now just use union group, and that's how you make a little door. So if this video was helpful, please make sure to subscribe to Guide to Everything, comment down below for the algorithm, and see you in the next one.